How to level up your city hall fast in Rise of Kingdoms. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can level up your city hall the smart and efficient way. First of all, launch open your Rise of Kingdoms Lost Crusade game on your device and make sure that you're inside this home screen. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on your city hall from your home section and click on the little green upgrade button. Now click on the upgrade button at the bottom right in blue and this will upgrade your city hall. To upgrade it fast, tap on this forward button and you need to use up the speed up function and you'll be able to upgrade your city hall faster. Don't waste your speeds up on tiny upgrades early. Save them for high-level city halls, walls, and long construction buildings. You can also combine speed-ups with government's event, building power event, so that you can earn rewards while leveling up faster. City hall upgrades require a tons of material, especially stone and gold, so make sure you collect them. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.